Hello, my name is Oscar with O&D General Contractors. Today is Saturday, May 17, 2025. I'm in Laurel, Maryland, about to do a repair attempt for Allstate. Before I start with the repair attempt, I'd like to show you an overview of the property, of the roof. This right here is a front slope. We got solar panels, a little bit of wind damage in the front. We got a missing shingle right there. Like one or two damages in the front, but most of the damages are in the back. The repair tent that we're gonna do is right there. That's the shingle that we're gonna remove and replace. To do that, basically we're gonna have to cut the, we're gonna have to break the seal of the shingle right there and the second row above to remove the shingle right there. And also we're gonna take a sample. We're gonna take the same shingle as a sample for a nitel, see if the shingle is discontinued or not. That's the shingle that we're gonna use. Couldn't get this color. Okay, so I'm by myself, so I'm gonna try to do my best with recording this video. I'm gonna use my tool bag to help me out today by recording this. Hopefully I can get good image. Let's see, this work. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'll switch from the flat bar and get the hammer. It was a little bit challenging because of the solar panels. I didn't have much room, but still we were able to do it. The only problem is that by nailing this right here or taking the shingle underneath, we're damaging the shingle above. You can see some mark of crease right here, and also we got we're losing a lot of granule. There's a lot of granule loss. I don't think this roof is repairable. Like I say, shingle might be even discontinued. We're gonna take a sample, send it to ITEL lab, and get a result. But I try to get, you know, something close to this color. I wasn't able to, so I end up installing this Mori Black, Serenity Mori Black, you know, just to be able to do the repair attempt video. But yeah, this shingle is discontinued, and also repairing this dual repair on this roof. We're gonna keep messing up the roof because of that. It's not, you know, it's not repairable. Thank you once again. Enjoy your weekend.